One of the most powerful ways of understanding and tracking learning beyond learn by knowing, there's learn by doing, but the ultimate is learn by teaching. So Gnowbe was actually created because we believe that anyone can teach, anyone can learn. So the idea of making authoring so easy that whether you're an 8-year-old child or a 70-year-old or 80-year-old should be able to create is a very, very important principle. So authoring on the go, from your phone, from the web, on new content that you want to teach other people is very, very important philosophy that we actually take at Gnowbe, and one of the reasons why this company was started. It was really about anytime, anywhere teaching and learning, because by teaching, it is the most effective way of actually internalizing and learning ourselves. So imagine you're a manager walking around and you see a safety hazard in the office. In the traditional way, you would report that to HR. HR might take 6 to 9 months to create a new safety and hazard program to train your 100,000 employees. Imagine now you have your mobile phone. You see the safety hazard and the issue, you record the video, you create a course, and you create a session, and then you distribute it, and it's down to 100,000 people literally in 1 minute. Imagine how powerful that would be to empower all of your people to create anytime, anywhere they see an opportunity and a need to disseminate information at speed. And whether that's a safety training, whether it's product training, a sales technique, onboarding, a welcome message for that new employee, imagine being able to do all of that from your pocket. That's what we mean when we talk about easy authoring and what we like to call how to Gnowbify content.